Hey everyone! Imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly, your manual shift mode stops working. You try to shift gears manually, but there's no response. Then, the check engine light appears and when you scan for codes, you get P0956. Then, the check engine light appears and when you scan for codes, you get P0956. Then, the check engine light appears and when you scan for codes, you get P0956. This means there's an issue with the auto shift manual mode control circuit, which can lead to manual shifting failure, erratic gear changes, or even transmission problems. This means there's an issue with the auto shift manual mode control circuit, which can lead to manual shifting failure, erratic gear changes, or even transmission problems. In today's video, we'll cover what P0956 means, where the key sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0956? DTC P0956 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Control Circuit Low. This means the system has detected lower than normal voltage in the manual shift control circuit, which can be caused by faulty wiring, a failing shift selector switch, or a problem with the transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0956. If your car has this code, you may notice manual shift mode, not engaging, manual shift mode, not engaging, manual shift mode, not engaging, erratic or delayed gear shifting, erratic or delayed gear shifting, erratic or delayed gear shifting, transmission stuck in limp mode, check engine light or transmission warning light, unexpected shifts while in manual mode sensor and component locations, very important. To properly diagnose P0956, check these critical components. To properly diagnose P0956, check these critical components: gear shift selector, switch location, found inside the center console, connected to the gear shift lever. Function, sends manual shift signals to the TCM. Sends manual shift signals to the TCM, transmission control module, TCM. Location, processes manual shift inputs and controls gear shifting. Shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Input and output speed sensors. Location, monitors engine RPM and transmission speed for accurate shifting. Wiring and ground connections. Location, ensures proper voltage flow to shifting components. What causes P0956? The most common reasons for this code are 1. Damaged or corroded wiring can lead to low voltage in the shift circuit. 1. Damaged or corroded wiring can lead to low voltage in the shift circuit. 1. Damaged or corroded wiring can lead to low voltage in the shift circuit. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch sends weak signals to the TCM. 3. Malfunctioning TCM prevents proper manual mode operation. 4. Defective shift solenoids causes poor hydraulic pressure for shifting. 5. Weak battery or bad ground connections leads to inconsistent voltage levels. 5. Weak battery or bad ground connections leads to inconsistent voltage levels. How to fix P0956? Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to test for low voltage signals in the circuit. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires. Repair any loose or broken connections leading to the TCM. Step 3. Check the battery and ground connections. Measure battery voltage, should be at least 12.6 V. Step 4. Test the shift solenoids. Remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any solenoid showing incorrect readings. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM. Drive the car and observe if the manual shift mode functions properly. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Test drive the vehicle to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0956, it means the manual shift control circuit is receiving low voltage, affecting manual gear shifting. Fixing this early will restore normal shifting and prevent bigger transmission issues. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0778. Pressure control, solenoid. C performance P0779. Pressure control solenoid C stuck on. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.